Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove cameos on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have stories where you can check out the stories from your friends. The camera where you can of course go and check it out also, and your chats, and in the bottom left corner you have your locations and chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove cameos on Snapchat. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go of course and launch the Snapchat application, as I already told you. Now tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. You'll have it on all of your screens, as you can see. Now go to settings, which is in the top right corner, and scroll down to Cameo under My Account. When you went to the Cameo under your account, tap Clear My Cameo Selfie, and after that just confirm by tapping Clear. After you've confirmed it, it will be that, so you will have your cameos deleted in no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already said, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then,